Good morning, children, and once again, welcome to your class. And this is your English class, and again, I will be teaching you two new alphabets. And I hope you are all are learning it, practicing it at home, and you are enjoying your classes. Yes, na? Good. And keep practicing it, okay? Daily you have to practice it, okay? No, not that just one page that ma'am has given, that is enough. No. After ma'am's work, you will do in your rough copy or 3-in-1 copy. You can practice it at home daily, okay? Whatever I am teaching you, okay, children? So, as usual, that we have already learnt the alphabets, few alphabets I have already taught you. Yes, na? And I have taught you alphabets from A to T. And I have taught you how to write alphabets from A to N. Yesterday, I taught you M and N, M for moon and N for net. And today again I will teach you two new alphabets. But before we go there forward, we'll just have a look whatever we have done it, okay? Whichever we will just practice. For practice we will see which alphabets we have already done it, okay? So I hope now you must be recognizing all these alphabets. Yes, na children? Which alphabet is this? This is A for apple. Yes, na? And the sound of A is A. Apple. Apple. Okay? Now, after this comes B. B for ball. This is a ball. B for ball. And B says ball. Ball. Then comes C. C for cat. C for cat. This is a cat. Okay. So, cat. Cat. Then D. D for dog. D for drum. And in copy I have drawn this drum, na? Yes, na? So this is a drum. D for drum. Drum. After D comes E. E for envelope. Envelope. E for elephant. E says a. And E for envelope. E says envelope. Envelope. F for fish. F for fish. And F says fish. Fish. Then comes after F comes G. G for goat. G for grapes. G for glass. Glass. H for horse. H for hut. H says hut. Hut. Then after H comes I. I for India. I for ice cream. I says India. Ice cream. J for jug. Jug. This is a jug. After J comes K. K for king. K for kite. Kite. Okay. K says kite. L for lion, L for leaf, 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 leaf. Now after L, yesterday I taught you M. M for monkey, M for moon. This is a moon. 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 N for nose. And N says nose, net. Okay. This is a, yes, still here I had taught you yesterday. Okay. Net. Moon. M. This is M. This is N. And after N comes, now 2 new alphabets I am going to teach you today. Okay. So after N comes, which alphabet comes after N? After N comes O. O for orange. O says orange. Orange. How do we make orange? Orange. This is an orange. Orange. After O comes P. Pot. P for postman. Postman. Pot. So I will draw here pot. This is a pot. Okay. Pot. P says pot. Pot. O also says orange. Orange. Okay. So now next 2 alphabets is O and P that I will be teaching you today. Okay. Now for that, now I will quickly rub this and draw the lines. In the meantime, you take out your copies. Okay. You can take out your English 1 copies. Just take it out and sit with your copy and your pencil and just see how ma'am is writing in the same manner you are going to write. So now children, you can see like this, you have lines in your copy. I have also drawn the lines over here on my board. Now I will teach you how to write O and P on the lines, okay, within the lines. So first of all, as you know, what is the date today? Today is, yesterday was 5th of August, so today is 6th August. So yeah, you will write over here 6.8.20 and CW over here. Okay. So now look here. Now after N comes O. O for orange. So see how you are going to write O over here. Okay. So from the first line till the 3rd line you will draw. Okay. Don't come out of the line. Okay. So look here. So from the first line you draw a semicircle like this. Come to the 3rd line. Okay. Don't stop over here. Continue and go up. Okay. Touching the 2nd line, go up to the 1st line. So now what has it become? O for orange. I'll draw here orange, okay. This is an orange. Okay. So once again, from the first line, you don't have to lift up your pencil, okay. Without lifting up your pencil, you have to draw a circle like this, okay. So from the first line, you will start, come to the 2nd line. Okay children, and then touching the 3rd line you will go up and then up to the 1st line and you will draw a O like this. Okay, again watch. This is an O. Okay, don't make O like this. This is wrong. From the first line till the 3rd line and this coming out, this is wrong. This O is wrong. So don't make O like this. How will you make O? Within 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just see. Within this line, you will start from the first line, come to the second line, third line, touching the third line, go back to the first line, and here it becomes O. Okay, got it, children? Once again, I'll show you. From the first line, come down to the second line, third line, touch the third line, and then again go back to the first line. And now it has become, and join the line, this has become O. O for orange. O for orange. Now after O comes P. Now how do you write P? P for parrot, P for postman. So from the first line till the third line. Count 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are here. So from the first line till the third line, you will draw a standing line like this. Okay, just see. This is a standing line, okay? And then from the first line till the second line, you will draw the other way round semicircle, okay? You will draw a semicircle like this. In D also you make it like this now, but in D you bring this from semicircle from the first line till the third line, okay? But here you will you will make this semicircle within 2 lines, 1, 2, within red and blue line. Okay, now it has become P for parrot, P for postman, and here we will draw a pot. This is a pot. Okay, pot. Again, from the first line till the third line, you will draw a standing line, straight line like this, okay? And then from the first line, pink line, till the blue line, you will draw a semicircle like this. This has become P for parrot, P for pot, P for postman. Then again from the first line till the third line, standing line, semicircle. Again, draw a standing line from the first line till the third line, okay? And then a semicircle, okay? Don't draw it like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. And this is also wrong. If you make like this and semicircle like this has become 9. This has become 9. This is not P. This is also wrong. Okay. So, in P, this semicircle is the other way around. Okay. Okay, children. This is semicircle now. You drew semicircle is this. Okay. And the other way around semicircle is like this. Okay, when you turn this semicircle to other way, it becomes like this, okay? So remember, in P and D, in all this semicircles turns, okay? Turn the semicircle, then write, then it is correct, okay? This is correct, okay? Don't make like this, okay? These are all wrong, okay? So you have to draw it like this, not like this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, fine, children. So have you got it? Have you understood? This way you are going to do this classwork in your copy, and I will be sending you the PPT. Okay. So everyone be careful. So children, O and P you will do as a classwork, and now here I am going to give you the homework, and homework will be, I have already taught you yesterday, MN, okay? So it will be MN, O and P. This will be your HW, okay? So on the new page, you will turn the page. On one page you will do P, O and P, and the next page you will do this homework. This is your homework, okay? M, N O and P. Okay, this you have to do as a homework. Okay, I'll show you how to do. Okay, very neatly you will do it. From the first line you'll draw a standing line, slant line down, slant line up, and standing line. This has become M. Again, standing line, slant line down, slant line up, and standing line. Okay, again, once again, standing line, slant line down, slant line up, and standing line. This is M for moon. Okay, this has become little far. It has gone little far. I'll make it closer. Okay, 1 minute. It should not go too far. Understood, children? So I'll just show you. Your M should not go very far. This slant line down. Okay, then slant line up and standing line. This is correct. Okay, again, standing line, slant line down, and then standing line upwards. Okay, again, standing lines, okay, slant line down, and then straight line. Okay, this is N for net. Then comes O. O for orange. You will start from the first line, come to the third line, and then go again back to the first line. Again, from the first line you'll start, come to the third line, and then again go back to the first line. Okay, now next is P. Standing line and semicircle. Standing line and semicircle should be within 2 lines. 1, 2. Okay, it should not come out of the line. Okay, don't make it like this. This is wrong. Okay, don't make it like this. So this is your homework, HW. Okay, children, so you will do in this manner very neatly in your copy. Okay, two work you have to do in English, 1 page classwork and 1 page homework. God bless you, children.